this is my regular plug-in phase of the car. Turn it on. Opens the door. Take the keys for the outside thing. Here's the inside heater. Set to 750 watts. It goes to 2000, but that will break the fuse. So let's move the other side. Take the cord. Burp. You can't see anything. Yes. Drop it in. Here's my moped. So, okay, that's it. Let's take this part and plug it in where it is. There. This works better when you are not looking at the damn thing. So, uncurve the cord, open the damn thing, so it is like this. Plug in. This is the most stupidest place I have seen. And it's set to 733. Both on. Okay. So it was last time. And it's now closed. Then you go round and round again. If you can't see anything, that's just me. Throw it in there. It's there. It's 23-year-old thing. I changed the fan because the last one broke, and it was like €2 thing. It's there, and as you can see, it's not closed. Okay, thanks, bye.